How does Lincoln Financial pay short-term disability? Lincoln Financial provides short-term disability (STD) insurance to help policyholders replace a portion of their income when they are unable to work due to illness or injury. The policy ensures timely financial support during the recovery period, allowing employees to focus on their health without the stress of lost wages. Understanding the payment process helps policyholders manage their finances effectively. 1. Eligibility and qualifying for benefits. To receive short-term disability benefits, policyholders must meet Lincoln Financial's eligibility requirements. This includes being unable to work due to a covered illness, injury, or medical condition. A waiting period, known as the elimination period, must be completed before benefits begin. This period typically ranges from 7 to 14 days, depending on the policy. 2. Filing a short-term disability claim. Policyholders must file a claim with Lincoln Financial by submitting medical documentation from a healthcare provider, proof of employment, and details about their condition. Claims can be submitted online, by phone, or via paper forms. Lincoln Financial reviews the claim and notifies the policyholder about the approval status. 3. Payment amount and benefit duration. Once approved, Lincoln Financial pays a percentage of the policyholder's salary, typically ranging from 50% to 70% of pre-disability earnings. The benefit amount and duration depend on the policy terms. Short-term disability benefits usually last from a few weeks up to 6 months, after which long-term disability coverage may take over if needed. 4th, payment methods and frequency. Lincoln Financial provides short-term disability payments through direct deposit or checks. Payments are typically issued weekly or bi-weekly, depending on the employer's policy and plan structure. Direct deposit ensures faster access to funds, while checks may take longer to process. 5th, tax considerations for disability payments. Short-term disability benefits may be taxable or tax-free depending on how the premiums were paid. If the employer pays the premiums, benefits are usually taxable. If the employee pays with after-tax dollars, the payments may be tax-free. Lincoln Financial provides tax forms for policyholders to manage tax liabilities effectively. Lincoln Financial's short-term disability insurance provides essential financial protection during recovery from illness or injury. By understanding the claim process, payment structure, and benefit duration, policyholders can better plan for temporary work absences. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.